इतना सेल्फिश कोई कैसे हो सकता है?
Exactly. इतना सेल्फिश कोई कैसे हो सकता है?
जाने क्यों हर लम्हा है थम गया।
जाने क्यों sung by Shafqat Amanat Ali is my favorite.
जाने क्यों हूँ जरा जम गया।
जब Pritam had strummed it to me, there were no lines. So that song has shared credits between Irfan and me because the chorus is mine.
तुझ बिन तन्हा है ये रातें, बिन अल्फाजों की ये बातें, बिन बारिश की है बरसातें, अब मैं जानू क्यों, तुझ बिन जाने क्यों।
Got it!
Shooting Jaane Kyun has been one of the hardest things for me in this entire process of making Always Kabhi Kabhi. It was an opening shot of the movie and I'm running into school and Roshan calls, okay, Ali, stop. Jaane Kyun shot, you're walking out sad, clothes all crumpled, bag latka hua hai, you know, and you're walking out of school. I had to make that switch in my head every single time.
Jaane Kyun as the song comes as a turning point in the film, not only for the story but characters. ये गाना फिल्म में उस वक्त आता है जब I think we are hoping कि audience जो है हमारे characters के साथ attach हो जाती है.
दिल जो कुछ है कह रहा।
When you hear Jaane Kyun and when we had to act, we didn't even need glycerine or nothing. It's just the song does it for you. It puts you into that emotion and just makes you cry.
It was a very tough song to shoot because at least 50 locations पे हमने shoot किया होगा ये गाना. You know, coming from say doing a fun scene, yeah, a love scene, the last shot you're giving is the saddest part of the movie.
My personal favorite is Jaane Kyun. I think it's a great song. It's really soulful, really melodious. We heard in Pritam's voice to finally Shafqat's voice, and all the versions were fantastic.
My favorite song in the film is Jaane Kyun because the visuals and Sam's acted in that song so well and he's performed so well that finally when we see the outcome of the song, I really feel like crying.
बस खुशी की तलाश में मैं तो यूं ही चलता रहा, जाने ना धीरे धीरे यूं चलते चलते ये मैं कहाँ आ गया। देखेंगे मेरा रास्ता गम भी कहीं ये सोचा न था, मैंने इन रास्तों से मजाक में रास्ता तो पूछा न था।
I really like Jaane Kyun because it's a very touchy song, you know. It just touches your heart, you know, and it's so simple and so nice at the same time.
And every character is somehow related to it.
जाने क्यों हूँ जरा जम गया।
जाने क्यों आँखें नम सी हुई।
जाने क्यों मंजिलें खो गई और सो गई, तुझ बिन तन्हा है ये। It's a very senti song. You know, all those lines that actually happened because the khoon jumbled in my hands. I still remember. मेरी आँखें नम हुई थी. I used to cry so much. I cried on that.